Hi folks, my name is Justin Alexander. I'm the Professor of Percussion at Virginia Commonwealth University in Richmond, Virginia. I am thrilled to be presenting a virtual session at PASIC 2025 this year entitled Rudimentaal, Adapting North Indian Rhythmic Concepts through Snare Drum Pedagogy. I'll be joined by my teacher and master percussionist and tabla player, Shawn Mativetsky. In this session, we will break down common rhythmic concepts found in tabla playing, including the idea of tal, teka, tukras, and tihais, and show how we can adapt these concepts for Western percussion instruments, particularly snare drum. If you've ever been interested in Indian classical music or the rhythmic side of Indian classical music, I hope you'll check out our virtual session. Thank you.